Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Docs and creating a new file. This lets you work in the cloud immediately. First, pick blank or a template. Templates speed repetitive tasks, while blank gives full control. Once created, rename the document at the top left so you can find it later and set initial sharing to private or specific people. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. That prevents lost files and permission confusion. Now, you're ready to add content and format. You write and format using the toolbar. Choose fonts, sizes, and paragraph styles because consistent formatting improves readability. Insert images, tables, or links when data needs context, and add comments to highlight discussion points for collaborators. To collaborate in real time, click Share, add emails, and set roles: viewer, commenter, or editor. Once done, track changes with suggesting mode so edits are reversible and transparent. This preserves the original text while showing proposed edits. Make sure to refresh if collaborators disappear. You finalize by reviewing, using spelling and grammar, and then exporting via file right arrow download to PDF or docx for distribution. If you need to revert, open version history to restore an earlier draft because that recovers accidental deletions. When sharing problems occur, re-log in or switch Google accounts. Incorrect account sessions cause permission errors. If real-time updates lag, check your internet and reload the page. This forces sync. After these steps, your document is complete and safely distributed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.